third class. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Let's start today's EVS class. Students, as you know, we are doing block 2, flower, fruits and seeds. And today we will find out the function of seeds. We already know fruits have seeds in them. So today we will find out the functions of seed in plants. I hope this is clear to you all. Now students, you can see the picture of seeds, barley and whole green gram. Clear? Now students, tell me, what should we do to make the barley and whole green gram seeds grow? What should we do? Students, firstly, put the barley and whole green gram seeds in two separate transport glasses with cotton. Then add water to wet the cotton. Put these glasses into a warm place. After 1 month, we can see that seeds are growing into plant. Clear? So, we can see growth of a seed into a plant. I hope it is clear to you all. You can see in the picture. Now students, here are some questions for you. Question is, what are the similar changes that you saw in both the seeds? आपको दोनों सीड्स में क्या चेंजेस देखने को मिले? Let's discuss the answer. Both seeds grew into a young plant with roots growing downwards towards the water and shoots growing upwards towards sunlight. Here, root system, where root system grow downward and shoot system upward towards the sunlight. Next we see the shoots for both types of seeds grew into stems and leaves. You can see in the picture, you can see clear. I hope it is clear to you all. The shoot for both type of seeds grew into stems and leaves. Now students, look at these. Look at this picture. Look at this chart. You can see whole green gram seeds. So what were the predictions? Seeds may change and increase in size and barley seed की जो prediction है वो भी हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. But observation क्या आई थी हमारी? Seeds have grown into baby plants with roots and shoots. And in barley seeds, what were the predictions? Seeds may change and increase in size. But observation, seeds have grown into baby plant with root and shoot system. I hope this chart is clear to you all that what were our predictions and what are the observation. Now students, tell me, what can we say about the functions of seeds based on the experiment? इस experiment के base पे हम seeds के function के बारे में क्या बता सकते हैं? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. The function of seeds is to grow into new plant, because without seed a plant will not grow into new plants. Seeds germinate when they have enough water and air and the right temperature. Clear? This function of seeds makes it possible for plants to continue to live on earth. If we have all the three options like water, air and right temperature, then a plant will grow into new plant. I hope it is also clear to you all. Now students, let's discuss higher order thinking question. Question is, where does the seed get its food to grow from? Seed को अपना food कहाँ से मिलता है ताकि वो grow कर पाए? Since it does not have any leaves yet, क्योंकि अभी तक baby plant की कोई leaves नहीं आई होंगी. So let's discuss. There are seed leaves in the seeds. Seeds के अंदर ही seed leaves होती हैं, which have food stored in them. This food is used by the embryo as its roots and shoots grow out. I hope it is clear to you all that seeds have seed leaves in it. The young plant only starts making its own food when it develops leaves. जब एक यंग प्लांट कब अपना फूड बनाना शुरू कर देता है? जब उसकी लीव्स भी डेवलप हो जाती हैं, क्योंकि सीड के अंदर तो लीव्स नहीं होती, फिर वो अपना फूड कैसे बनाता है और कैसे ग्रो हो पाता है? बिकॉज सीड हैव सीड लीव्स इन इट. And when baby plant grow, young plant starts making its food when it develops leaves. I hope it's clear to you all. Now students, we will read lesson number 3, seeds. Let's start reading. The function of seeds is to grow into a new plant. A seed contains a teeny plant inside it. Seed के अंदर एक छोटा plant होता है. Clear? Now, let's read the conversation. The seed one put in the cupboard won't start to grow. Can seeds germinate in the dark? Let's read another conversation. Seeds do not need light to grow. The amount of light does not make a difference. Seed light के basis पे grow नहीं करते हैं. Clear? So if when we put the seed into dark cupboard, it will not grow because it will not get water, sunlight and air. So it will not grow. The seed also store food for the growing plant. Now let's see the life cycle of a plant. A seed needs air, water and correct temperature to grow. In second option, the seed breaks open and roots started coming out of it. You can see roots started coming out of it here. In third part, the root fixes itself in the soil. And fourth one, stem and leaves grow out. I hope this lesson is clear to you all. You have to write these practice questions in your notebook. Clear? Now students, we will discuss the keywords. First one is germination. The process of growth from seed to baby plant. What is the meaning of germination? The process of growth from seed to baby plant. Seed embryo. Part of the seed that can grow into the root and shoot of the baby plant. I hope these keywords are clear to you all. Seedling. When the embryos grows out from the seed, it is called a seedling. Predict. To tell in advance about something. Predict मतलब हम पहले से ही किसी चीज़ को देख के उसके बारे में बता देते हैं. That is called a predict or prediction. I hope the keywords are clear to you all. You have to write these keywords and their meaning also in your notebook. Now, it's time for discussion of worksheet 2.3 seeds. First question is, which part of the lemon plant has lemon seeds? Lemon plant के कौन से part में lemon seed होता है? Yes, the fruit of the lemon plant has lemon seeds. Question number 2. Saurabh planted some tomato seeds in a transparent container with soil. He watered the seeds regularly. वो हर रोज seed को water देता था. After some days, he observed roots and shoots coming out from the seeds. What was happening to the seed? Tell me, what was happening to the seed? Students, the tomato seeds were developing in new tomato plants. Yes. जो सीड है अगर हम उसको रेगुलरली वाटर दे रहे हैं, उसको एयर मिल रही है, राइट टेम्परेचर मिल रहा है, then it will get started developing into new plant. I hope it's clear to you all. Last question is, look at the development of the seed into a young plant. Where does it get its food from to grow when it does not have any leaves yet? आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो अभी सीड के पास कोई लीव्स नहीं है, तो वो अपना फूड कहाँ से कलेक्ट कर रहा है और कैसे ग्रो हो रहा है. स्टूडेंट्स, as we discussed, seeds have stored food that helps the new plant to grow, because we know that seeds have seeds leaves in it. I hope this worksheet is clear to you all. Now students, these are your practice questions that you have to do. Question number 1 is, which part of the tomato plant has tomato seeds? टमाटो प्लांट के कौन से पार्ट के अंदर टमाटो सीड्स होते हैं? Question number 2, Tina took some moong seeds. She kept them in wet cotton under sunlight? A part. What will happen after 5 or 6 days? Yes, we can see the shoots and root system of that plant, of that seed. B. Would the same thing have happened if Tina had kept them in dry cotton? Why? क्या सेम थिंग ही होती अगर टीना ने उस कॉटन को वेट नहीं किया होता, गीला नहीं किया होता, सूखा ही रखा होता? नो, बिकॉज अ प्लांट नीड एयर, वाटर एंड सनलाइट टू ग्रो. Third question. Write if true or false. Seeds make their food in the presence of sunlight to grow. You have to write true and false. Seeds have food stored in them that they use to grow. So, you have to do these practice questions. Thank you everyone for watching this video.